Hey guys, we're on the new build of Snow Leopard 10A394. This is the build that has the new dock and Exposé enhancements from WWDC. This is on a MacBook Pro early '08, the 2.53 Core 2 Duo, 4 gigs of RAM, the 8600 GeForce with half a gig. So basically, okay, we have a couple windows open. We have the option turned on currently for minimize into the system icon or the application icon for when you're minimizing windows. So if you see, if I minimize my system preferences icon, it goes right into the system preferences icon. When I minimize the window, that is. Okay, so we minimize a couple windows. Now when we hit Exposé, I do have quite a few windows minimized. Some of these applications are in different spaces. We'll show you that in a second. But any minimized windows that are on this current space, I get down here at the bottom. And actually these are accessible from any different space. So if I just go back here and I switch to a different space, I can hit Exposé and I get any of my minimized windows, which I can then bring up into that current space. I'm not sure if that's going to switch to the space that was minimized on in the future or not. That may make more sense. I'm not sure. Anyhow, so we have Exposé. You'll notice you get text labels of the application, both for your minimized windows as well as for any windows that come in Exposé. You do Exposé plus spaces, you still get all the labels as well as the separate monitors and such. One thing that is new would be dragging a file into onto a dock icon. And so if I drag this file onto Firefox, I'll get all the application icons minimized or not for Firefox, and I can drag it in there if I'd like. If I just want to do a quick look, I can minimize over it and do a quick look. I can basically go over any icon or any application in the dock and get right to the program. It's kind of cool when you do it in slow motion because you can see the other programs fade in and out as you're switching between them, and you can kind of see how the actual GUI animation works for the minimized and unminimized windows and such. But sometimes the file things don't quite work. Anyway, that is about it. If you turn off the option in system preferences, they all still minimize down here as in 10.5 Snow or just regular Leopard, as well as 10A380 and earlier Snow Leopard builds. One thing to note is on multiple monitors, when I have the MacBook main monitor as well as the external combined, is when I activate Exposé, all windows from both monitors go onto the MacBook, the main screen. So it doesn't do the separate Exposé per screen like the earlier builds and the current Leopard do. Hopefully they'll fix that. Other than that, I kind of like the new UI enhancements. It's nice to see the minimized windows when you're looking at an application or when you're looking at your windows and such, because sometimes something's minimized when you go into Exposé and you don't really expect it to be minimized, or you may have minimized it in the past. Anyway, I think the enhancements will be nice. The multiple monitor oddities I hopefully will get worked out. Other than that, that is the 10A394 dock and Exposé. One more thing, if you click and hold on the icons, you get this new menu with the sub menu here for options. You do, however, still get the old menu when you right click, or I guess option click, command click. But when you right click, you get that, but if you just click and hold, you'll get this new menu. But that's about it for the new build of Snow Leopard, the changes for Exposé and spaces.